Verbs. Verbs that describe physical or mental actions. Examples: jump, she jumped high. Run, he runs fast. Write, I write daily. Speak, they speak loudly. Dance, she dances gracefully. Sing, he sings beautifully. Draw, she draws portraits. Cook, he cooks dinner. Drive, I drive carefully. Read, they read books. Swim, she swims quickly. Climb, he climbs mountains. Walk, I walk daily. Throw, she throws far. Catch, he catches balls. Eat, I eat slowly. Drink, they drink water. Paint, she paints landscapes. Build, he builds houses. Fix, I fix cars. Teach, she teaches math. Learn, they learn English. Play, he plays guitar. Listen, I listen carefully. Run, they run races. Jump, he jumps hurdles. Kick, she kicks hard. Dig, he digs holes. Sew, she sews clothes. Shop, they shop often. Travel, I travel abroad. Laugh, she laughs loudly. Cry, he cries softly. Work, I work hard. Study, she studies late. Sleep, he sleeps early. Shout, they shout warnings. Look, I look around. Search, she searches carefully. Find, he finds answers. Help, I help others. Carry, she carries bags. Move, he moves quickly. Shake, I shake hands. Touch, she touches gently. Feel, he feels pain. Grab, they grab food. Throw, she throws stones. Slide, he slides down. Push, I push hard. Pull, she pulls ropes. Kick, he kicks balls. Laugh, they laugh often. Run, I run daily. Dance, she dances well. Throw, he throws far. Watch, I watch TV. Read, she reads novels. Type, he types fast. Scream, they scream loudly. Jump, I jump over. Draw, she draws well. Write, he writes poems. Sing, I sing softly. Fly, she flies kites. Run, he runs marathons. Shop, I shop weekly. Cook, she cooks breakfast. Paint, he paints fences. Smile, I smile warmly. Throw, she throws gently. Watch, he watches movies. Hike, I hike often. Plant, she plants flowers. Wash, he washes dishes. Repair, I repair bikes. Plan, she plans trips. Jump, he jumps hurdles. Dive, I dive deep. Catch, she catches fish. Search, he searches documents. Mix, I mix ingredients. Sail, she sails boats. Surf, he surfs waves. Ride, I ride horses. Kick, she kicks footballs. Draw, he draws cartoons. Sing, I sing softly. Run, she runs quickly. Jump, he jumps high. Eat, I eat slowly. Drink, she drinks juice. Read, he reads daily. Play, I play soccer. Dance, she dances often. Cook, he cooks rice. Shop, I shop quickly. Sleep, she sleeps soundly. Work, he works overtime. Laugh, they laugh together. Jog, I jog every morning. Plant, she plants trees. Chase, he chases the cat. Drive, I drive to work. Run, she runs in circles. Bake, he bakes cookies. Jump, I jump over puddles. Lift, she lifts weights. Throw, he throws the ball. Paint, I paint the wall. Ski, she skis down slopes. Run, he runs errands. Catch, I catch butterflies. Dance, she dances ballet. Cry, he cries with joy. Shop, I shop for clothes. Play, she plays the piano. Study, he studies history. Fix, I fix the faucet. Throw, she throws snowballs. Wash, he washes the car. Sweep, I sweep the floor. Mop, she mops the kitchen. Jump, he jumps on trampolines. Race, I race my friend. Drink, she drinks coffee. Sew, he sews a button. Dig, I dig the garden. Kick, she kicks the soccer ball. Watch, he watches the sunset. Paint, I paint my nails. Hug, she hugs her friend. Run, he runs to catch the bus. Slide, I slide on ice. Surf, she surfs big waves. Swim, he swims across the lake. Drive, I drive to the beach. Fix, she fixes the lamp. Write, he writes letters. Type, I type emails. Bake, she bakes bread. Climb, he climbs the ladder. Dance, I dance in the rain. Sing, she sings in the shower. Read, he reads the newspaper. Draw, I draw animals. Paint, she paints the ceiling. Ski, he skis fast. Ride, I ride a bicycle. Jump, she jumps rope. Sail, he sails a boat. Catch, I catch the ball. Lift, she lifts her suitcase. Dig, he digs a hole. Wash, I wash my hands. Mow, she mows the lawn. Kiss, he kisses his wife. Hike, I hike up mountains. Run, she runs races. Drive, he drives a truck. Pull, I pull the door. Push, she pushes the cart. Fly, he flies a kite. Fish, I fish in the lake. Build, she builds sandcastles. Cut, he cuts the paper. Fold, I fold the laundry. Chop, she chops onions. Mix, he mixes the batter. Bake, I bake cakes. Jump, she jumps from joy. Run, he runs to the finish. Kick, I kick the ball. Ride, she rides a scooter. Sing, he sings on stage. Play, I play games. Watch, she watches cartoons. Study, he studies late. Cry, I cry at movies. Teach, she teaches French. Learn, he learns quickly. Play, I play chess. Draw, she draws flowers. Run, he runs for fun. Dance, I dance salsa. Drink, she drinks tea. Eat, he eats fruit. Shop, I shop online. Write, she writes notes. Paint, he paints houses. Sing, I sing quietly. Jump, she jumps excitedly. Cook, he cooks steak. Laugh, I laugh out loud. Drive, she drives home. Chase, he chases dreams. Run, I run early. Bake, she bakes pies. Throw, he throws darts. Lift, I lift weights. Catch, she catches butterflies. Kick, he kicks the ball. Draw, I draw lines. Fold, she folds clothes. Write, he writes essays. Type, I type reports. Read, she reads quietly. Sing, he sings loudly. Jump, I jump forward. Swim, she swims well. Paint, he paints chairs. Sail, I sail slowly. Ski, she skis beautifully. Ride, he rides fast. Laugh, I laugh happily. Run, she runs smoothly. Watch, he watches closely. Cook, I cook well. Fix, she fixes things. Shop, he shops quickly. Write, I write stories. Jump, she jumps quietly. Cry, he cries softly. Talk, I talk calmly. Climb, she climbs carefully. Dance, he dances professionally. Sing, I sing joyfully. Drive, she drives carefully. Read, he reads loudly. Run, I run slowly. Shop, she shops hurriedly. Cook, he cooks perfectly. Type, I type slowly. Write, she writes beautifully. Bake, he bakes expertly. Watch, I watch intently. Jump, she jumps lightly. Paint, he paints creatively. Run, I run regularly. Fix, she fixes easily. Sing, he sings loudly. Talk, I talk softly. Shop, she shops eagerly. Climb, he climbs efficiently. Cry, I cry quietly. Dance, she dances effortlessly. Jump, he jumps excitedly. Read, I read often. Cook, she cooks skillfully. Laugh, he laughs gently.